I am so excited to show you guys this great breakfast, lunch, or dinner item, the Dutch baby pancake. Golden, fluffy, and delicious with great nostalgic flavors. Traditionally served with pork sausage, today we're gonna make a healthier take, served with a fully cooked turkey breakfast link sausage and turkey bacon. The first thing we're gonna do is make the batter for the Dutch baby. Super simple. Milk, eggs, maple syrup, flour, salt, and nutmeg. So next we're gonna make our caramelized apples. I prefer a non-stick pan for this. Turn your heat on to medium-high and let it heat up. Then we're going to add the butter. I'm going to wait till it begins to foam, and you're gonna sprinkle in your brown sugar. Give that a stir. And now you'll see that your whole pan is foaming, and it's time to add your apples. So you're gonna see that I've cut my apples into eighths so that they're nice serving size pieces and they don't overly compete with the turkey sausage. I've also left the skin on for color so that it's a nice bright red pop on our plate. So once you see the apples take on some really nice color, as you can see on these pieces, I'm now gonna add a pinch of salt, and salt always bumps the flavor up a little bit, and I'm going to add some maple syrup. Use the real stuff, it's totally worth it. After that's been cooking for about a minute, you'll see that the syrup starts to get a little thicker, and we'll just see that nice unctuous syrup dripping off there, and that's time to take the apples off the heat. Next, we're gonna brown the turkey sausages and turkey bacon. What I love about these turkey sausages is for food service, they are so simple. Some breakfast sausages tend to be a little overspiced, and these ones have a nice mild spice level. So while they enhance the breakfast item or the lunch item, they also don't overpower it. Now that the sausages and bacon have a great color, I'm gonna take them off. Keep them warm in a warm oven, or you can chill it down and reheat it for service. It's time to bake our Dutch babies. We're gonna take our cast iron skillets and put them into a cold oven. We're then gonna turn it to 425 and allow the oven to fully heat up. You can do it the way I am in small individual sized cast irons, or you can choose to do it family style in a 12-inch skillet. And so I'm gonna add the butter to the hot pan, put a tablespoon in each pan, and now we're going to pour the batter just in one movement. And again, if you're using a family style skillet, you are just going to pour the batter straight in. And back they go into the oven. So I've baked them for 12 to 14 minutes until they're fully puffed and golden. So I'm putting 2 sausage on each and some of the delicious bacon. And now we're just going to add some apples and drizzle that maple syrup, and you can drizzle that right over the sausage and bacon. Our final step is to dust with a little confectioner's sugar, and they're ready to serve.